Hello guys, we have here for the expedition. The main concern is the tools in the cluster. The trouble codes is P0102 mass airflow circuit low. So this is the issue, and the idle is high and low and stuff. This is stuffing engine 5.4. Alright, so we will check the supply of the map. If they have supply, you can use test light, and there's no supply, and we will check the ground. If the ground is good. See, the ground is good, but the supply is not good. So this is the fuse 76 in the diagram, in the Mitchell diagram or identifix. There's no fuse, there only one pin. So we will replace this one and we will clean the map, and after that we will check. This is the fuse. See, there's no fuse, only one pin. Someone remove this one. I do replace the fuse. See, I installed 15 amperes, and we will check if there's a power or supply. Yeah, they have a supply now. We will check from the map connector also. See, they have a lights there. There's a supply now. Okay, now we will start. See, the check engine light is on, but when you rev the idle, there's not stop, and the tools is not coming back again. So we will clear the fault history. Okay, we will see the report. After that, we will clear this one, the map sensor low, because of the blown fuse, or there's no fuse. See, now it's good, working well. See, there's no tools right now, and the check engine didn't come back. So alright, God bless you all.